Hello, in front of me I've got TOSCIDO M863. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to Settings, enter Display, extend the list, and as you can see right here, we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change brightness level manually, enable or disable eye comfort mode, and adjust it. Change colors and contrast. Change wallpaper. Enable or disable dark theme. Change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes. Enable or disable one-handed mode. Auto-rotate screen. Adjust font size. And display size. Then you can set screensaver between clock, colors, photo frame, photo table and photos. Select when to start between while charging, while docked, while charging, or docked, or never. And then you can manage lock screen display. For example, you can select notifications on lock screen, enable or disable add users from lock screen and show lockdown option, add lock screen message, enable or disable lift to check device, and new notifications. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.